Hello everybody. Today what we have here is an HRS industrial. I believe these are the union made ones. I could be mistaken. I got two of these from Lewis Weedman at the Fanimation group trip. These are not in the best cosmetic condition, as you can tell, but they are in pretty decent mechanical condition. Features 3 metal blades, obviously, and it used to have the cord with the plug, but the plug has since been removed and it's just wired. But I'll probably one day, not anytime soon, but I would like to do a dual install of both of these. And before I do that, I'll probably do a full restoration of this fan with new bearings, new paint. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the sticker. I think I might be shit out of luck on that one, but yeah, the canopy is broken. That's a common failure with these. I have my Dayton industrial that has the same issue, as well as the other HRS that has the same issue, so that's a pretty common thing that happens. I'm featuring this just on a regular 4-speed Litex slide control, and here we go. Let's put this on in 1 for now. I'm not quite sure what was going on right there, but nothing some goo gone can't fix. Doesn't stall out, which is nice. I probably won't make another video of the other one, just because they're basically the exact same fan. With very similar cosmetic defects, not defects, scuffs, but you get a point. This is the first fan that I've tested since Fanimation, matter of fact. I've been very lazy when it comes to that, but I'm gonna hop on the grind soon. I really like this. I'm really glad I bought this. Blades have a little sag to them, but honestly, that doesn't really bother me that much. I don't know where he got these from, but he got like 30 to 40. Probably less, but that's just like how many it looks like he got. He was selling a bunch of these at the group trip. Mine has, this is the other blade set. I'm gonna show out my phone. This is the other blade set. They all have the hollow bracket. Yeah, can't really feel much air with it going this speed, but it's cool nonetheless. I'm gonna bring it up a speed. Speed 2. Slightly faster. Starting to wobble a little bit. It does balance itself out once it gets to the higher speeds, like high and medium high. Okay, let's bring it up to medium high. Yeah, that's pretty much balanced itself out now. Okay, I'll bring it to high. Can you hear that startup sound? Okay. And that'll probably be it. Thank you for watching.